Hi folks, and welcome back to my channel, Making Sausages with the Steirerbua. Today we make an English traditional sausage which is called Cumberland. The Cumberland sausage has been made for over 500 years in England. So let's get started and let me show you what I use to make the sausage. For the Cumberland sausage I'm using pork belly. I got 1 kilo here. Normally you would use 800 gram meat and 200 gram rusk, but I don't like rusk in the sausage, so I use only meat. So that's 1 kilo pork belly. Then I have black pepper, nutmeg, cayenne, sage and thyme. And instead of sheep casing, I use pork casing, which are 28 to 30 mil. The next thing what we need to do is prepare the spices. So let's get on to that one and make the spice mixture ready for the Cumberland. The first thing what we need is salt. So from the salt I need 18 grams. It's normal table salt. That's 18 grams. Then the next thing what we need is black pepper. The Cumberland is quite a peppery sausage, so we have 4.5 grams per kilo. So that's 4.5 grams. Then we need thyme. Thyme we put in 2 grams. Gram thyme. Then the next thing I put in is sage. Sage I also put in 2 grams. So it's 2 grams sage. Then I want nutmeg. Nutmeg I put in 1/2 gram. Always be careful with nutmeg. So that's 1/2 gram nutmeg. Then I put in the cayenne. And cayenne I also put in 1/2 gram. So that's 1/2 gram. That's the spice mixture for the Cumberland. There's only a few spices in there, so 5 altogether. So the spice mixture is ready. What I'm gonna do is now is I'm gonna put the spice mixture into the meat and add 50 ml of ice water to it as well. Mix it up and then mince it through the 4 mil blade. Okay, I've got my kilo meat in here. So what I will do is now is I add the spice mixture and the salt to it. And I also add 50 ml of cold water. I mix this through properly so that we pick up all the herbs and the spices and mix the salt into that. That meat what I have here is pretty good chilled already. You get a very nice smell from the sage and from the thyme, and of course as well you have a peppery smell here. All right, so that's okay now. Now I will start to mince it through the 4 mil blade. So let's get the mincer going. The Cumberland we only mince once through the mincer but then we mix it by hand. Okay, that's done. Good. So, as you can see, it's a nice cut. It's a good smell. So what I do is now is I gonna mix this for a couple of minutes so we get a nice binding mass. Okay, let's start mixing. What's important is at this stage that the meat is very cold. I had there's the meat pre-chilled. I had it in the freezer a little bit so it's nice and cold, because when you mix it, it will warm up. Good. So the next thing is what I will do is I get the filler ready and fill the sausage meat into the filler and start filling the sausages. So the filler is ready. Take my sausage meat now, push it into the filler, push it down, get the air out, important. So, that's it. Let's close up the filler. If you don't have a little filler, go and buy one. They are not that expensive. Good. Now we push it forward a little bit. So you're getting pressure on it. Still air in there. That's good. So the filler is ready now. I prepare the casings now and get ready for filling. Okay, so the filler is set up here now so I can fill. Let's take one of the casings. Get a bit of water in there. But you see, before I do that now is I push the sausage meat forward. So we are right on the edge here. Just be careful because it depends on the pressure. It could shoot out. That's good. Now the little bit of meat here, just wrap it around the nozzle, bit of grease. That helps. Now let's pull this up. Get the water out which you just put in before. That's it. Make a knot in it, like I showed you many times before. Tighten it and start filling. Oops, it was an airlock as you can see. So let's get this out. That's what I mean in those little fillers. You always have air in there because like it's not like a big filler where you have more area to push down the sausages. So it's nearly done. There isn't much left. Let's get the air out. Maybe a little bit left. That's it. Make a knot in it. Let's twist them. Those ones I make a little bit smaller, about 90 to 100 grams. There we go. Then the last bit, so it doesn't twist open, I just press in here like I showed you once before, twist once and push it through the sausages here. That's it. So that's 1 kilo Cumberland done. What I do next is I clean out the nozzle and I make myself a burger, of course. As you can see, making Cumberland is so easy. I mean, this recipe, what I've just shown you, it's been used for about 500 years in the UK, and it's so easy to make this sausage, and this is a very tasty sausage. But I will make now from the leftover a burger, so let's have a look how this turns out. So let's get that little bit out here. Oops. Push this through here. So there's my little burger. I need something to push this out. Let's push the meat out from the nozzle. I use a chopstick, is the best here. That's it. Let's make out of it a little burger. Beautiful Cumberland burger. But before the burger gets ready, I need to heat up my good old trusted frying pan. So I will do this now. So while the frying pan is heating up for the burger, let me tell you something. As I said many times before, I got hundreds of recipes, and I will be making every week 1, 2 or 3 videos of the recipes going forward from now on. And also what I'm trying to do is show you how to make sausages the easy way. There's nothing really hard about it if you follow the correct steps, and I will teach you that. You will become proficient in making sausages. So the frying pan is hot, and guess what? The Cumberland burger will go into it now. Let's have a look. So the oil is hot, and the pan is hot, should I say. Let's get the burger in there. You hear that? Isn't that music? Wow. While the burger is frying, let me show you something. You see those sausages? They're Cumberland. You see how beautiful the cut is? You see that? That's what you want. Nice, clean cut. And here's the coffee machine turning off. You see, it's easy to make good looking sausages, and also sausages that will taste good. So why buy your sausages which are full of preservatives, monosodium glutamate, additives, E-numbers in a supermarket? Make it yourself. It's healthy, and trust me, your body thanks you for making your own stuff. So the burger is cooked. Let's have a look and let's taste the burger. Okay, let's cut it. So it's a Cumberland burger. Beautiful, juicy. Great. So I'm gonna cut myself a few and let's taste them. Let's taste this burger. Really good. The sage and the thyme instantly. And the black pepper, it's coming. Really good. And it's not dry, it's juicy, just the way how it should be. So I'll be enjoying my burger now. And in the meantime, I challenge you to make a Cumberland sausage by yourself and let me know how you get on with it. Let me know what you think of it. Otherwise, I say thanks for watching that video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay safe. In the meantime, I wish you all the best. Bye bye.